For many travelers, Croatia begins with Dubrovnik. Its magnificent stone walls, historic streets, and dramatic Adriatic setting have made it one of Europe's most recognized destinations. Yet beyond the famous skyline lies another Croatia, where emerald islands, medieval hill towns, crystal-clear rivers, and hidden coastal villages reveal an entirely different side of this remarkable country. Although Croatia stretches along a relatively narrow coastline, its landscapes are astonishingly diverse. Rugged mountains rise behind turquoise seas, while waterfalls, forests, fertile valleys, vineyards, and more than 1,000 islands create one of Europe's most varied natural environments. Every region offers another unforgettable perspective. Rather than replacing Dubrovnik, these remarkable destinations complete Croatia's story. They invite travelers to slow down, explore scenic coastlines, wander through timeless villages, and discover places where history and nature continue to exist in perfect harmony. Our journey begins in the enchanting coastal town of Rovinj, beautifully positioned on a small peninsula extending into the Adriatic Sea. Colorful houses climb gently toward a hilltop church, while narrow stone streets preserve centuries of Venetian influence overlooking one of Croatia's most picturesque harbors. From above, brilliant turquoise water surrounds the historic peninsula, while colorful rooftops gather beneath the elegant church tower overlooking the Adriatic. Small boats drift through sheltered marinas as rocky coastlines stretch toward forested islands scattered across the horizon. Every aerial view captures the timeless beauty of Croatia's western coast. Walking through Rovinj reveals winding cobbled lanes, flower-filled balconies, lively waterfront cafes, and beautifully preserved stone buildings where every corner offers another glimpse of the town's rich maritime heritage. The atmosphere encourages visitors to wander without any particular destination in mind. Beyond the historic center, the surrounding coastline offers hidden coves, peaceful walking trails, pine forests, and crystal-clear swimming spots where the Adriatic reveals its famous shades of blue and emerald. Nature remains only moments away from the town itself. Our next destination carries us inland to the remarkable village of Rastoke, where rivers and waterfalls flow directly through the heart of a centuries-old community. Often described as one of Croatia's most beautiful hidden villages, Rastoke combines remarkable engineering with extraordinary natural scenery. From above, countless waterfalls cascade through emerald channels beneath historic wooden watermills connected by charming footbridges. Dense forests surround the village, while crystal-clear rivers weave intricate patterns through one of Croatia's most enchanting landscapes. Every aerial perspective highlights the remarkable relationship between water and architecture. For generations, the flowing rivers have shaped daily life in Rastoke. Traditional mills, stone pathways, and historic homes remain closely connected to the surrounding waterways, preserving a unique cultural landscape where nature continues to define the rhythm of the village. Our journey now heads south across the Adriatic to the peaceful island of Vis, one of Croatia's most secluded island destinations. Surrounded by remarkably clear water and dramatic limestone cliffs, Vis remained relatively isolated for much of the 20th century, helping preserve its authentic coastal character. From above, hidden bays shimmer beneath towering white cliffs, while fishing villages rest quietly beside protected harbors surrounded by vineyards and olive groves. Coastal roads wind gently across rolling hills overlooking endless blue horizons, where sea and sky appear to merge together. Every aerial scene feels effortlessly cinematic. Life on Vis follows a slower rhythm shaped by the surrounding sea. Quiet waterfront promenades, traditional fishing harbors, and peaceful beaches encourage visitors to experience an island where simplicity remains one of its greatest strengths. Our final destination in this stage of the journey brings us to the medieval hilltop town of Motovun. Rising proudly above the vineyards and forests of Croatia's Istrian Peninsula. Encircled by ancient stone walls, the town overlooks one of the country's most beautiful inland landscapes. From above, the medieval skyline crowns a solitary hill surrounded by vineyards, rolling countryside, and forests that disappear into the morning mist. Winding roads climb towards centuries-old stone buildings, while the surrounding valleys glow beneath the soft light of sunrise. Looking across Rovinj, Rastoke, Vis, and Motovun, one truth becomes beautifully clear. Beyond Dubrovnik lies a Croatia of extraordinary islands, rivers, forests, and timeless towns where every landscape invites travelers to discover another unforgettable side of the Adriatic. As our journey continues, Croatia reveals even more extraordinary landscapes beyond its famous coastline. Powerful waterfalls, medieval island towns, rugged mountain ranges, and panoramic coastal roads showcase a country where nature and history remain inseparable. Every region offers another unforgettable chapter in Croatia's remarkable story. Our next destination is the breathtaking Krka National Park, where the Krka River flows through a spectacular series of waterfalls, emerald pools, and forested canyons before reaching the Adriatic Sea. This protected landscape offers one of Croatia's most beautiful natural environments and remains a favorite for those seeking scenery beyond the country's busiest coastal cities. From above, brilliant turquoise water cascades over broad limestone terraces surrounded by dense forests stretching across the river valley. Wooden boardwalks weave gently through the landscape while mist rises above the waterfalls beneath warm Mediterranean sunlight. Every aerial perspective captures one of Europe's most spectacular river systems. Walking through Krka reveals peaceful forest trails, crystal-clear streams, and panoramic viewpoints where the sound of flowing water accompanies every step. The surrounding landscape encourages visitors to slow down and experience one of Croatia's most remarkable natural treasures at a relaxed pace. Our journey now returns to the Adriatic Sea, arriving at the beautiful island of Korčula. Often described as one of Croatia's finest medieval island towns, Korčula combines ancient stone architecture with sheltered harbors, vineyards, and sparkling coastal scenery that has attracted sailors and travelers for centuries. From above, fortified stone walls surround the compact old town, while red-tiled rooftops overlook crystal-clear turquoise water dotted with sailing boats. Olive groves, vineyards, and forested hills frame the island as secluded beaches curve gently along the coastline. Every aerial view reveals the timeless elegance of the Adriatic. Walking through Korčula reveals narrow limestone streets, quiet squares, historic churches, and welcoming waterfront promenades where everyday life unfolds against one of the Mediterranean's most beautiful backdrops. The town preserves its heritage while maintaining a peaceful island atmosphere. Our final destination brings us north to the magnificent Velebit Mountains, Croatia's largest mountain range and one of the country's most dramatic natural landscapes. Towering limestone peaks rise sharply above the Adriatic coast, creating breathtaking contrasts between rugged mountains and brilliant blue sea. From above, jagged mountain ridges extend toward the horizon while winding roads trace dramatic cliffs overlooking countless islands scattered across the Adriatic. Dense forests blanket deep valleys beneath towering peaks as spectacular viewpoints reveal endless coastal panoramas. Every aerial scene highlights Croatia's extraordinary geographical diversity. The Velebit region offers some of the country's most rewarding scenic drives and hiking routes. Mountain passes, hidden valleys, wildflower meadows, and panoramic lookouts reveal landscapes that remain surprisingly peaceful despite their extraordinary beauty. Nature dominates every direction. One of Croatia's greatest strengths is the remarkable diversity found within a relatively compact country. Medieval coastal towns, emerald rivers, mountain wilderness, hidden islands, vineyards, waterfalls, and ancient forests all exist within a day's journey of one another, creating an exceptional variety of travel experiences. Traveling beyond Dubrovnik also provides opportunities to experience authentic local traditions through family-run guest houses, island communities, regional cuisine, artisan craftsmanship, and small historic towns that continue to preserve their unique identity. These experiences often become the most memorable part of any Croatian journey. Scenic roads connect many of these remarkable destinations, following rugged coastlines, crossing mountain passes, and winding through fertile valleys where every turn reveals another breathtaking panorama. The journey itself becomes one of Croatia's greatest attractions. Looking across these extraordinary landscapes, one conclusion becomes unmistakably clear. Croatia's greatest treasures are not limited to its famous city walls or well-known beaches. Across emerald islands, mountain ranges, waterfalls, forests, and timeless villages lies a country of exceptional natural beauty waiting to be explored. As golden evening light settles across the Adriatic Sea, cascading waterfalls, ancient hill towns, and rugged limestone mountains, the true spirit of Croatia quietly comes into focus. It is a country where every island, every river, and every winding coastal road tells another remarkable story, inviting travelers to venture beyond the crowds and discover the hidden beauty that has always been waiting beyond Dubrovnik.